This is the Nedbank Kapana Cook-Off 2022. It is the finale. We've gone through the central, the northern and the coastal parts of Namibia. Now our contestants have been battling it out for the last couple of months, and they will fight it out for the final prize of a beautiful trailer that is worth 100,000 Namibian dollars plus extra prizes as well. Every year we scout the land of the brave to bring you the next Kapana king or queen, because the main aim of the Nedbank Kapana Cook-Off is to empower small and medium enterprises. Now, our contestants in the past have walked away with the main prize. They are the ones that have grown their businesses and managed to purchase 2, 3 or even 4 extra trailers for their business. The Nedbank Kapana Cook-Off is for you and yours. It is our national dish, and Kapana is what we're trying to take to the world. We want to make Kapana something that you can have in your restaurant.